Blake, you're so lucky, honey. You want Nanny to push? Uh-oh, she's taking Blake into the kitchen. Oopsie. You get stuck? Want me to help you? Oh, no, she got it all by herself. You are too funny, honey. Look at Savannah. Blake, you're so lucky, honey.
Wow, Savannah.
What a big sister. She's dancing back there, too. Come on, push him this way, honey. So cute, Blake. You're so lucky. Savannah's all wibbly wobbly. Watch the wall. Uh-oh. Crashed into the garbage. Savannah's pretty art picture on the wall. Blake, are you eating your fingers or your toes, buddy? Oh, where are you guys going? Come back this way. No? Okay. You want to just take them wherever you want to go? Are you stuck? Say hi. Can you say bye to everybody? Bye. It's March 16th. Savannah's pushing Blake around. Literally. No, I'm kidding. Look, she's even going backwards, Nan. Uh-oh. Taking her artwork with her.